Hi everyone, my name's Gareth Spence and I'm at the TIP Summit 2018. In this video I'm joined by Neil Robinson to talk about ADVA's packet optical solution, a product offering that is built upon the Facebook designed Voyager product. Neil, thanks for joining us today. Let's start with the big news. What has ADVA announced at the show regarding Voyager and the packet optical solution?
Yes, so Voyager is now generally available, which means customers can order it, we can ship it and supply it and support it out there in the marketplace.
Okay, for people that might not be familiar with Voyager or the work that you've been doing, could you give us a brief overview of what it's all about?
Sure. So Voyager is a TIP open optical packet transport transponder with packet capabilities. So what does that mean? It has layer 1 transport functionality, optical layer transport functionality, but inside the same box you have layer 2 and layer 3 switching and packet transport capability as well. So it's a fully integrated layer 1 through layer 3 solution.
Okay, and what does that mean for the customer? What are they getting here? Why would they be interested?
Yeah, so instead of having to deploy multiple boxes, a router, a switch, and a transport box, and then managing all those separate platforms together, you basically get that all in one solution. And it's very compact. It's a 1RU solution with all of that functionality built in.
Okay, and leading up to today's announcement, there's been a lot of work in regards to proof of concepts and trials. Can you talk about some of the big events here? I think Vodafone was one such customer that's been trialing the solution a few months ago.
Yes, we've done multiple trials. Vodafone was a very good trial. We did it across their network in Madrid. So it was on a live network. Done with Voyager basically acting optically as an alien wave on their existing infrastructure. And then we integrated that with an orchestration solution from Zeta, which was monitoring the transmission performance of the Voyager and then adjusting the Voyager transmission capabilities based upon the quality of the transmission line. It's the first time anybody had really tried to do this on a live network. And it was a very successful trial. We were able to reduce the Voyager transmission rate when the line system was degrading to keep it alive. And then when the line system was being repaired, we were able to actually increase the transmission rate again. So we're starting to see network equipment now being able to react to the transmission systems that they're operating across.
Okay, and the packet optical solution that ADVA is bringing to the market is composed of a number of building blocks, is that correct?
Absolutely, so it's a disaggregated solution. It's very important to understand what does that mean. So the hardware is not built by ADVA, the hardware is built by Celestica. And the software is not created by ADVA, the software is created by our partner Cumulus. What ADVA then does is do the integration of that disaggregated solution. So we test it, we approve it for deployment, and we've integrated it, for example, what customers need in terms of documentation, in terms of service and support, so that they have what feels like a fully integrated solution. It is an integrated solution, but underneath it's actually one of these industry-leading disaggregated boxes.
Okay, so in many respects it could be it's an a la carte offering for customers.
Absolutely. If you sort of scale forward into where could this go, you could have multiple hardware platforms to choose from and multiple software platforms to choose from. Looking forward, yes, we picked Celestica and we picked Cumulus, but in a disaggregated world, those aren't tied together, right? You can choose. And so that's what's really exciting about this whole space, right? We're starting to take our first steps here. This is actually, I believe, TIP's first ever GA product. Out of all of the project groups, Voyager is the first one now that's become a GA product. And I think this will continue on. We have multiple other solutions that we're bringing to market, but there are other groups that are also starting to bring product to market, all around being able to marry the best hardware with the best software.
Okay, Neil, thanks for the information today. If you'd like to know more about ADVA's packet optical solution, please visit www.advaoptical.com.